and gentlemen, to get this show on the road, I'd like to request Mr. Indraneel Roy, Chief Executive Officer of the Outlook Group, to open this phenomenal event with his remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, Chief Executive Officer of the Outlook Group, Mr. Indraneel Roy. Let's welcome him.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to the third Outlook Speak Out. For the last 24 years, the Outlook Group has enjoyed a great reputation in the world of Indian journalism. In the last 3 years, we have tried to make Outlook Speak Out an outspoken extension of the magazine on stage. I must say, we have found our corner and we are damn proud of it. Outlook Speak Out has emerged as a lively platform for the finest minds and the brightest ideas, dedicated by the optimisms and anxieties of our times. In the last few years, sexual assaults and women empowerment movement have upended public conversation about women's issues in India and the world. Women are waging a battle to reclaim their future, public space to workspace, the freedom to wear anything, to do anything, be anything. And people have started to listen to the obstacles women encounter in their daily lives, both personal and professional. As one of the most credible media groups in India, Outlook has shined a light on women's anger and efforts to get their voices off the ground. Hashtag Happy to Bleed or hashtag MeToo. We recognize and respect women's demand for a safe world, safe for taboo, stigma, shame, ill health, prejudice, fear, and violence. Our theme today is Women's Vision 2022, What Women Want, Reclaiming the Narrative. In its scope, it's a continuation of the logical extension of last year's theme, Women Empowerment. As in the past, we have a refreshing galaxy of minds today to debate openly and thoroughly the great ideas of the day. While Indian women are being felicitated, celebrated, and awarded by like never before by political parties and media of all stripes, the Outlook Group doesn't want to honor just a handful of powerful women. We believe in talking about their problems and encourage women who contribute in ways big and small to making the life of a little better, a little safer. I thank you all for joining us in our endeavor to make a little difference. Thank you for coming here today.